Fønix back row POV. We have done that, but with the chest mount. We have never done it with the GoPro Max. So I think if the rain doesn't kill it, this can be a really cool POV.
It would be nice to see the whole train.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we are gonna see the whole train. It's raining, guys. Don't forget to watch the full rainy vlog, and not only this POV. I promise, it's fun. This is a fantastic park. Wow, I missed this coaster. Oh, it's fantastic.
I do know that I missed it so much.
Oh, it is so good. Wow, and it started raining more, of course.
Yeah.
But it's such a good roller coaster. Wow, I missed that. Fønix Firebird at Fårup Sommerland. So much fun.